Hi there, Victoria here, and you've just finished creating your position and configuring your screening test. Now comes the most important question: how do you actually get candidates to apply? Here's how it typically works on job sites like Indeed. Candidates see your job posting, click apply now, answer a couple of no-call questions, attach their CV, and submit. You receive applications via email or in your ATS. Then a recruiter calls them to screen, only to discover that 30 to 50% are completely irrelevant because they mass applied or use automation tools. The reality is that many job seekers today either apply to everything without reading the details, or they use AI-powered automation to mass apply to positions. This means you're spending valuable time sorting through all kinds of applications instead of focusing on quality candidates. So what's the solution? I'm going to show you 3 ways to invite candidates using one-way interview that filter for quality from the start. Option number 1 is replacing the application method on Indeed, LinkedIn, any other job boards with your one-way interview screening test so that candidates land directly on your test when they click apply now. Option number 2 is to invite candidates directly via email, SMS, or ad, which is perfect when you have your own candidates database or want to reach specific talent pools. And option number 3 is setting up pre-screening no-call questions. In this video, let's start with option 1, which is sharing your interview link on Indeed or LinkedIn, or any other job boards. This is the most straightforward approach. You simply replace the standard application method with your one-way interview link, and when candidates click apply now, they land directly on your screening test instead of just submitting a CV. So here we are on Indeed, and when you're editing or creating a job post on Indeed, you can choose your application method. So let's do just that. I'm gonna click post job. For this one, I'll use just the previous job as a template. And here are all the details about my job post. And once I'm on this page, I can actually change the application method. So by default, you'll see that it's usually set to email. And if I click to edit it, you'll see that it toggles on receive applications on Indeed. Now this is what we want to turn off and replace. It's important to know that if you don't see this option to change your application method, you may need to contact Indeed support because this setting isn't always enabled by default for new or smaller companies, but the support team from Indeed can activate it for you fairly quickly. You're going to go to one-way interview. Once you create the position, you're going to see this link that you can copy directly, or you can copy the link easily if you go to positions, then choose the appropriate position, click share with candidate, and click copy link. So now that you have this link copied, you go back to Indeed, you paste this link, click done, and confirm. And once I'm done setting the budget for the job post, I'm gonna click save and continue. Okay, and that's done. And when your job is published, when the candidates see it, they're gonna see the apply on company site button, and once they click on it, they're going to be redirected to the page of your test. So the way you change the application method on Indeed actually works in a similar way on LinkedIn as well. And when posting a job, you'll find similar application settings. So let's see right now. Here, as you can see in job settings, there's a manage applicants option, and right now it's set to LinkedIn, and it's gonna send updates directly to my email. Now, if I want to edit that, I just change on LinkedIn to on an external website. And right here, all I need to do is basically paste the same one-way interview link that I pasted on Indeed for candidate application. And that's pretty much it. Then you click continue and proceed with your job posting. And once the job is posted, the candidates are going to see it similarly to the way they see it on Indeed. So they'll see that responses are managed off LinkedIn, and they'll see the apply button, which is going to direct them directly to your screening test. And this approach works on virtually any job board as long as the platform allows you to customize your application method or add an external link for candidate applying. You can direct candidates to your one-way interview screening test. And that's it for sharing your interview links. This method is perfect for when you're posting on big job boards and want to ensure that every applicant goes through your screening process. And the key benefit is that you only see candidates who were willing to invest time in your screening test, and this immediately filters out mass applications. In the next video, I'll cover option number 2, which is inviting candidates directly via email or SMS. So I'll see you there.